I'm gonna tell you, if I was trying to sell somebody on getting them to look at your program, I'm gonna tell them, just like I told you when we talked about this last time. I was at $17 an hour at a regular maintenance man. I used your courses, and now I'm in a six-figure job. I have an engineer job title, and my life is easy now. I went from working 70, 80 hours a week to I'm fucking rolling, doing my thing. My boss doesn't even bother me anymore. He doesn't come to me to, he knows I'm going to do my job, and he knows I know how to do my job.
Yeah, amen.
But I mean, I went from $17 an hour to a six-figure job in my own office. That's my biggest selling point. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. Because I was regular Joe maintenance man. I learned from working on cars and working my way up through the system. And I took your training, and it's been 2 years now, 3 years, and I'm on top of my career field.
Wow. Yeah. When that was, dude, I made the thing in 2020. It was like 2022, late 2020, no, 2021. Anyway, so all right, sounds good. We're gonna wrap that up.